Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jennifer Emeka. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to thread a sewing machine. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get straight into the video. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be removing the thread so that I can show you how to thread a sewing machine. So you also go ahead to remove the bobbin case from the bobbin case component. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using a orange thread so that you can clearly see what I'll be demonstrating. So just pay attention and understand what I'm doing. Just like I said, I'll be making use of orange thread to demonstrate because I feel that the orange thread is more visible. Anyway, they are both visible. I prefer using the orange thread so that you clearly understand and see what I'm doing. First of all, you start by placing the thread on the thread spool. Then you take the thread through the thread guide on the faceplate. While holding the thread, draw the thread down into the tension spring. After drawing it down to the tension spring unit, then take the thread through the thread take up lever from back to front. Draw thread through the check spring. Then pass the thread through faceplate thread guide. Draw the thread down and slip it into the needle bar thread guide. Then insert thread into the needle eye from left to right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, comment and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.